So this is for April 16th. Before I start talking about what you're going to do today, I wanted to show you something. This is a bar graph, and it is showing comparing selected countries and how many people out of every 100,000 people we have are in prison right now. So for every 100,000 people that the United States has, 726 of them are in jail. So that compares to 526 for Russia, 413 for South Africa. Morocco has 174. The UK, which has a similarly diverse in some places and not diverse in other places, population has 145. So the point of this is the United States puts a lot of people in prison. Why that is maybe a discussion for another time, but it comes up today because the other Westmore is going to get arrested again. It's not the first time, it's not the last time, but he has been in and out of jail since basically chapter 2 of this book. But it's something to note. His experience is not unusual, unfortunately, in the United States. It's quite, in some communities, quite typical. Okay, so let's talk about what you're going to do today. I may need to move this around a little bit. So you have 3 things on your docket today. One is we have our WebEx at 1:35, so please join us then. I sent you out a message, but we're going to have you compare the experiences of 2 of the people in the book, given your issue. And then there's actually a super quick chapter, I don't even think it's 20 minutes, on chapter 6.1, and there's a quiz to follow it up. So hopefully I will see you at 1:35. If you haven't already written me back confirming you got the message, please do so. And we'll see you then.